Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Jaguar InControl EV status notifications, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your smartphone or tablet and locate the Jaguar InControl app. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. Log in using your Jaguar account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts in the app. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard. Find the Settings or Preferences section within the app. Look for the EV Status Notifications option in the settings. Tap on the EV Status Notifications section to open it. You'll see options for different types of notifications. Select the types of notifications you want to receive, such as battery status, charging alerts, or maintenance reminders. Once you've chosen your preferred notifications, ensure they are toggled on. Make sure your push notifications are enabled for the app in your device settings for seamless updates. After configuring your notification preferences, return to the main settings menu. It's recommended to periodically check this section for any updates or changes. You will start receiving alerts based on your selected preferences. Enjoy the convenience of staying informed about your Jaguar's electric vehicle status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.